How to get rich with AI. In the digital age, the advent of artificial intelligence, AI, has transformed industries, revolutionized businesses, and presented a multitude of opportunities for individuals seeking to amass wealth. The integration of AI technologies into various facets of life has opened up new avenues for innovation, investment, and income generation. For those who understand and navigate this rapidly evolving landscape, the path to financial prosperity is illuminated by the potential of AI. Understanding the basics of AI. To truly excel in the realm of AI and wealth accumulation, one must develop a profound grasp of the technology's foundational principles. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is an interdisciplinary field that seeks to create machines and systems capable of mimicking human intelligence. These systems can analyze data, learn from it, and make informed decisions, all without the need for explicit programming. At its core, AI encompasses various subfields, including machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. By immersing oneself in these concepts, one can begin to appreciate the remarkable potential AI holds for wealth creation. Identifying profitable AI applications. The journey to riches through AI begins with astute discernment. AI has permeated countless industries, offering fertile ground for those seeking to harness its potential for financial gain. These sectors include healthcare, finance, e-commerce, entertainment, and more. In healthcare, AI is transforming patient care, diagnosis, and drug discovery. The finance sector is witnessing the rise of AI-powered trading algorithms and robo-advisors. E-commerce is benefiting from AI-driven recommendation systems, while entertainment embraces deepfake technology and AI-generated content. Identifying the most promising AI applications in alignment with one's interests, skills, and investment capabilities is the key to unlocking wealth-generating opportunities. Learning and skill development. Mastery of AI is a journey that demands constant learning and skill development. Proficiency in programming languages like Python and R is foundational, as they are widely used in AI development. Understanding machine learning techniques, deep learning principles, and data handling is pivotal. Additionally, keeping abreast of AI ethics, responsible AI practices, and the latest industry trends is crucial. Practical application of acquired knowledge through projects and staying updated with emerging AI technologies are integral steps in building the expertise needed to navigate AI's wealth-generating potential. Entrepreneurship and AI startups. Entrepreneurship in the AI space offers a direct route to wealth creation. It commences with the identification of a problem within a specific industry that AI can address. Subsequently, thorough market research helps gauge the demand for the proposed AI solution. AI development then ensues with the creation of a prototype or minimum viable product. Collaborative efforts with AI experts and developers can expedite this process. Securing funding, whether through venture capital, angel investors, or government grants, is often necessary to scale the AI startup. Finally, navigating the competitive landscape, continuous innovation, and a customer-focused approach are paramount for achieving success and wealth accumulation in the entrepreneurial realm of AI. Investment in AI technologies. For individuals who may not have the desire to launch their own AI startup, but still seek to amass wealth through AI, investment in AI technologies and companies presents a compelling avenue. The AI landscape is rife with opportunities for investors, ranging from publicly traded AI-related stocks to venture capital investments in emerging AI startups. Diversifying one's investment portfolio to include AI-centric assets can yield substantial returns as AI continues to shape industries and drive innovation. AI and real estate. An emerging frontier for wealth accumulation through AI lies in the real estate sector. AI is transforming property valuation, predictive analytics for real estate investments, and property management. Investors who embrace AI-driven tools for real estate analysis and investment decision-making can gain a competitive edge in the market. Moreover, AI can optimize property management tasks, reduce operational costs, and enhance the overall profitability of real estate investments. AI in personal finance. The integration of AI into personal finance management has opened doors for individuals to optimize their wealth accumulation strategies. AI-powered financial apps and platforms offer personalized investment advice, portfolio management, and expense tracking. By harnessing these tools, individuals can make informed financial decisions, maximize savings, and invest intelligently, ultimately enhancing their financial well-being. Building AI skills and expertise. Investing in one's own education and skill development in AI can be a pathway to wealth accumulation. AI professionals are in high demand, and their expertise is rewarded with competitive salaries and consulting opportunities. Pursuing advanced degrees or certifications in AI-related fields can open doors to lucrative job opportunities in tech companies, research institutions, and consulting firms, leading to substantial income growth over time. AI freelancing and consulting. Freelancing and consulting in the field of AI are becoming increasingly viable means of wealth accumulation. AI professionals can offer their expertise on platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, or directly to businesses seeking AI solutions. These engagements often come with lucrative compensation packages and the flexibility to work on diverse AI projects across industries. AI and entrepreneurship in emerging markets. In emerging markets, AI presents a unique opportunity for entrepreneurs to address local challenges and drive economic growth. Creating AI-powered solutions tailored to the specific needs of these markets can lead to substantial financial success. Whether it's developing AI-powered agriculture solutions, healthcare diagnostics, or financial inclusion platforms, entrepreneurs in emerging markets can tap into AI's potential for wealth creation. Ethical considerations in AI wealth accumulation. As one navigates the journey of getting rich with AI, it is imperative to consider the ethical implications of AI-driven wealth accumulation. Ethical AI practices involve ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI systems. Avoiding harmful uses of AI, such as discrimination or exploitation, is essential for a sustainable and responsible approach to wealth accumulation. Investors, entrepreneurs, and professionals should prioritize ethical AI practices to contribute positively to society while amassing wealth. AI and wealth preservation. While accumulating wealth is a significant goal, it is equally important to consider strategies for wealth preservation. AI can play a crucial role in this aspect by optimizing investment portfolios, mitigating risks, and detecting potential financial threats. Wealth management AI tools offer insights into asset allocation, tax optimization, and long-term financial planning. By leveraging AI for wealth preservation, individuals can ensure that their accumulated wealth remains secure and continues to grow over time. AI in entrepreneurial ventures. Entrepreneurs looking to capitalize on AI-driven wealth generation should explore diverse entrepreneurial ventures. Beyond traditional startups, AI can enhance existing businesses through automation, data analysis, and customer personalization. By integrating AI into business operations, entrepreneurs can streamline processes, enhance customer experiences, and drive revenue growth. This innovative approach not only increases wealth potential, but also positions businesses for long-term success. AI and wealth inequality. As AI's impact on wealth accumulation becomes more pronounced, it is crucial to address the issue of wealth inequality. The benefits of AI-driven wealth generation should be accessible to a broader segment of society. Governments, policymakers, and industry leaders must work together to ensure equitable access to AI education, resources, and opportunities. Initiatives aimed at reducing the digital divide and promoting inclusive AI ecosystems can mitigate wealth disparities. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you